Hey everybody, how are you? I am here with a haul. This is a Michael's, Hobby Lobby, and Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to get, bless you, Polly. Polly just sneezed. Anyway, I got this carousel, and you guys, if anyone does any kind of acrylic painting where they use their acrylic paints, this is wonderful. I love it. And it is so compact. Some of these, because I looked online, some of them are so big and they take up so much space where this doesn't, but it's right where I need it. So if I need, a paint, here I am. And I just go in and get it. Very, very nice. And again, this is at Michael's, and I believe this was $16 or $17, I believe, and I had a 20% off all regularly priced purchases at the time. So very good deal. So that I really like. Then, let's see. After the first of the year, I want to try to get this craft room organized. And I have one of the carts from Michael's. And they had a lot of little things to go onto these carts. And this is a paper towel holder for your cart. See here where it hangs onto the cart, and I do use paper towels in my craft room, so I got this. And these, I believe these were all $6.99 if I'm not mistaken. And then I got these, and you hook that onto the side of your cart for your pens or pencils or whatever. And then this one is, like you can see, is for scissors or your stylus or whatever, but I got these to go onto the cart. So that was my Michael's purchase. Then the Hobby Lobby, I got this mold that says happy birthday because for my faux cakes I would like to, sometimes do a birthday cake for someone, and then you would just put this on there. I think that would be cute, and then put other little embellishments. I thought that was really cute. And they're $1.99. And then these packages were $2.99, half off at Hobby Lobby. And these I'm going to use for my faux food as well. Because if you take out the colors that are all together, because now it looks more like Christmas. But if you were doing a cake and say you just had this pink, well, I mean, it could be for anything. So I thought, if you put one of the happy birthdays with these packages, how cute would that be on a faux cake? I got some of the shred, and I got it in the pearlescent, because I thought I could use it for other things besides Christmas, because I'm doing a DIY where I need some of this to go inside of something, and you'll be seeing that shortly. Then I got these from the miniature part of Hobby Lobby, My Little Christmas. I got these black and white packages. Now, I'm not looking at the Christmas trees right now. I'm looking at the stripes because of my Mackenzie child. I might use this in some kind of decor or my faux food. I got this star, and I think I'm going to put it on my tree. Wait till you see my Christmas tree. I promise you, you have never seen a tree like this one before in my house. So be on the lookout for that. Then I got some of these poinsettias. Again, all this is half off, so $1.50, but aren't these gorgeous? These would be beautiful on faux cakes. Then I have another decor piece that I'm doing. And I think I want to use this, which I think is so pretty. And these were $2.99 a piece, half off. So I got two for the price of one, so two of these for $2.99. But they almost look like sugared. So I might use these in my kitchen. I'm not sure. I have an idea what I'm going to use these for, but you never know. But I think these are really, really pretty. And then the last thing, I bought these last year for my cupcakes, my faux cupcakes. I love the look of this holly. And when you get it out of the package, you spread it out and they are gorgeous. And I love the different color of green in this. Really like that. So that was my Hobby Lobby. Then Dollar Tree. Look at this gnome. Isn't this cute? I don't think I'm going to do anything to this, to be honest with you, this year. I'm just going to leave it as is. Because I'm going to have a little area dedicated to gnomes for the Christmas stuff that I got. Isn't that cute though? But now you could definitely, because look at the, look, you have the mold there already. So I may pick up another one, I don't know, and then you could do anything you want with it and make it your own. But this is cute for Christmas. Like I say, I think I'm just going to leave it as is. I had to get Epsom Salts. Epsom Salts is great for snow scenes if you want to put it into, you can see here the crystal. It's just really nice. And I made my snow cones, if you remember right. Then I got some tinsel, garland tinsel in the gold. I got a couple tins. 3 guesses what I'm going to use these for. Leave me a comment below if you know what I'm going to use these for. Then a couple of the DIYs that I'm doing. I needed peppermints. These are just the little candy canes and the Starlight Mints. And this is also from the Dollar Tree. They are starting to have a little cake making section. And they had this cake spatula, and you use this, you know, for putting on your frosting. Again, this will be for my faux food. And they had these icing comb sets, you know, that you go around the cake with. Then they had these tags. These tags I'm not using for Christmas. I'm using these for another DIY that I'll be doing just throughout the year. But I wanted to get them while they had them, because you know how when Christmas leaves, well, so do a lot of the things that you think, oh, I should have got that for what I'm going to do during the year. Doggone it, Daveda, why didn't you do it? So this year I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get them, because if I don't, they'll be gone. To put your cake down on, which is really nice. So I thought that was nice. Just got a pair of footsies. Always got to get the pair of footsies. These are so comfortable. And even if they get thrashed, it's no big deal. They're $1, right? And you know, gummy bears, Christmas gummy bears. Okay, I got this container for my craft room to put different books in underneath my end table. And some more of these signs, peace, joy, believe, the galvanized. And I think these candle rings that they have, I mean, for $1, I think they're very nice. So I got the red, and then I got a couple of the white. And another one of these picks. This I already showed you last time. That was just from a haul from Hobby Lobby. Then look, they had these little shoes. Aren't these adorable? I would like to put those on a gnome, and that's what I will use them for. And then look at this scarf they had. You know the scarves? Look at, it's like a Santa hat, and it has a bell. And it's just one of the scarves that you put around your neck. Isn't that cute though? Thought that was cute. Got this white lantern. I love these lanterns. And then the last thing, I got a few of these, and they're solar. I'm going to put them on my palm tree out in my backyard. So I hope it'll work. I got 3. We'll see. 3 of them. Oh yeah, and then I got these. And then I got some straws. I like the metallic ones, but this will do, and they'll also work for 4th of July. Well, they'd even work, if you wanted to, for Valentine's. And then I got this one bell, this red one. And for some reason, I think I'm just going to leave this the way it is. I might embellish it a little bit more. I don't know. But for some reason, I really just like this red bell the way it was. So that's it. That is my haul. I just wanted to show you before I get things put away and start using them on my DIYs. Guys, until we get together again, remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.